Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Honda XR150L Dual Sport. This lightweight just arrived with only 77 miles on the odometer. Beautiful condition, just like showroom. It's got a little luggage rack on the rear. That's a nice upgrade. Come on by and make your lightweight dual sport dreams come true with this gorgeous XR150. Only $29.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock, still under factory warranty. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.